So today we are going to learn how to install Windows 11 Pro in VMware Workstation 17. Okay, so first open browser. Okay, so search download Windows 11 ISO file. Okay, open the first link. Okay, so scroll down. So here you have to select Windows 11 Multi Edition ISO for 64 devices. Okay, so click on download now. It will verify. Okay, so after this here you have to select the language. I am selecting English United States. I will confirm. Again it is verifying. Okay, so once you have done this thing, so here it is showing like to download this Windows 11. Okay, so click this 64-bit download. It will start downloading. So I have already downloaded the file, so I'm not going to download it again. Okay, so once download is completed, open the VMware Workstation. Okay, so create new virtual machine. Okay, here by default leave it as typical recommended. Click next. Okay, so we are going to select ISO file later, so leave it on I will install the operating system later. Click next. Okay, here select Microsoft Windows and select for Windows 11 64. Click next. Okay, so here I have left the virtual machine name by default, but location I have changed. So I am storing it in D drive, so you can store wherever you want. Okay, after you have done this setting, click next. Okay, so here it is asking to choose the encryption type. Okay, so I'm going to leave default as it is, but make sure like password it should be 8 characters. Okay, so if you select less than 8 characters, it will be showing error. Okay, see here if I select next, it is showing like encryption password must have at least 8 characters. Okay, so you can give any 8 characters. Okay, or if you click on generate, it will generate and copy this key. Okay, so save this key somewhere. Okay, so after this thing, select next. Okay, so here it is asking for storage. You can allocate how much storage you want. Okay, so I am leaving by default as a 64 GB because this is a demo video. Okay, so I will be storing in a single file. Okay, click next. Okay, so once this is done, click on customize hardware. Okay, so number of cores per processor. Okay, so I'm giving total 4 cores. Okay, so here I will be selecting the ISO file. Select the ISO file which I have downloaded. Okay, so this is the ISO file which I have downloaded, so I will be selecting that file. Okay, so net, do not remove the net because to install Windows 11 Pro internet connection will be required. If you don't configure the net, you will be getting error, so configure this net. Okay, so once these settings are done, click close, confirm once. Okay, so if everything is done, click on finish. Okay, start the virtual machine. So press any key. Okay, so this thing I'm leaving by default as it is. Next, install now. At present I don't have product key, so I am selecting I don't have product key. Okay, so here I will be selecting Windows 11 Pro. Click next. Okay, so accept the terms and condition. Click next. Click on custom install Windows only. Okay, so here select next. So here it will be taking some time. Okay, automatically it will restart. So here I am leaving United States by default. Okay. This is also default. I'm gonna skip this. Okay. Device name, you can give any name. So here it will ask for sign in. So select, you can select whatever you want. I'm going to select setup for personal use. Okay. So click on sign in. Okay. So here you can enter your Microsoft ID. So if it is having any trouble to sign in, it will go for offline download. Okay, so it is having trouble connecting with my ID. Okay, I will go for next. So here I am going to do offline installation. Okay, so it is asking to enter my name. Okay, okay, we cannot give the same name. Okay, I am going to give different name. Okay, so it is asking for password. Confirm the password. Yes, security questions. Okay, configure all the security questions. So here I am disabling these things. If you want, you can leave it as enable. It's up to you. Okay, so how disable these things? Okay, so I'm going to accept and continue. So as you can see, installation is completed. Okay, so here you can see Windows 11 Pro is successfully installed. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.